Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the video quality in your Amazon Prime account. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now I'm simply gonna play this video right here. You guys can play any video at random. I'm just gonna play it. And as you can see, this is the video right here. And let's just say I want to change the video quality. Here's what we can do about it. Right here next to volume, you'll see a gear-like icon. That is options. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. That is video quality. It's giving me 3 options. That's good. Uses about 0.38 GB per hour, better, 1.40 GB per hour, and best. Well guys, it's up to you, depending upon your network usage. Select whichever one suits you. For now, I'm gonna select this one that says better. And guys, that's about it. That's how you change your video quality in your Amazon Prime account. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.